In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Beehiiv in just 5 minutes. First, open Beehiiv.com and log in using the Sign In with Google option for a quick and secure login. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Design tab to access all the tools for customizing your website. From there, navigate to the Website Builder section where you can select templates and start building your pages. Click on Home Page to enter the main interface, then explore Custom Pages to create additional sections. Select Internal Page to start your new landing page and add the content you want, including text, images, and videos. Be sure to create a slug, which is the URL path, keeping it simple and SEO friendly. After adding all your content and reviewing it thoroughly, click Create Page and preview it to ensure it looks perfect. Once satisfied, integrate the page into your site navigation by moving it to the appropriate menu. Then make it live by clicking Publish Homepage and Publish.